Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. This will serve as a pre-recorded program, and the time now is how many minutes past 4 o'clock? Okay, 12 minutes to 6 Nigerian time. So, and today is August 20th. So, we will be taking closer look at Bitcoin, and we will make weekend analysis. So you are all welcome to BUNCRYP Academy. So this is our end of the week market outlook. So every week on Fridays, basically, we will be giving you guys updates on what to expect in a Bitcoin markets and the cryptocurrency market in general, while our primary focus will be on Bitcoin, so that you will be able to know the right decision to make, and also, like I said in my previous video, you will make pre-informed decision about what Bitcoin is doing and how to move about your portfolio. So currently, we posted something previously suggesting that we would see Bitcoin pulling back at a particular zone, but our prediction didn't turn out the way we wanted it to be. But in addition, it also did what we were expecting or anticipating it to do. So the place we were previously anticipating a pullback was at this zone. So we were anticipating a pullback at that zone, which is around 46,000 USD. So but it's pulled out from that zone and did what we call value-based rally. That is the other supply to it. So that zone was ran through. So but in as much as that happened, we were aware of a possible risk, penny risk upwards. So but we were anticipating for Bitcoin to come and mitigate this zone here, that is this marked zone 44,987, before it now moves up to mitigate another zone upwards. So but that being the case, we understood what actually happened and what we are anticipating in the incoming week. So I know you guys are in a hurry, and so many videos are out there telling you or shouting that, hey, the bull market have started, hey, the market is now highly bullish, long or buy. But you have to take a break and understand what Bitcoin is currently doing, so that you will know how to profit from its market and price movement. So if you watch my charts here, I took my time to show you the order flow of which Bitcoin has moved currently. So here in BUNCRYP Academy, we always make sure we give you our clients well-informed information to make your own decisions from it. And just as our disclaimer always say, we are not your financial advisor, and we do not take responsibility of any loss you might incur in the information we are giving you. So whatever information you're taking here is rests on you for you to know what to do with it. We are making informed suggestion that you now is left for you to make your decision from it. So we can, as you can see, you can watch the order flow of Bitcoin starting from 37,493 US dollars to 43,954 US dollars, then 44,000. Okay, we negate that one. 44,987 USD. So this is basically the recent order flow in which it moved. So I know you guys might be confused about what is order flow and what have you. It's just the positions in which the market makers use to move their quantity or drive the market. So it's the position that which they use to drive the market, and this position is where they come back to pick liquidity to continue movement. So I'm not going to bore you guys with those terms, but the only thing you should know that these are the current order flow of Bitcoin. So why I took my time to mark out this order flow is that if peradventure the market begins to capitulate, do not expect it to hold at those zones. You are going to see it break through those zones. So there are zones we are anticipating, or we have a very strong conviction that these zones are going to hold if markets start bouncing up from the particular zone we are expecting. So these zones we are going to show you guys now, so you will watch it. So based on temporal trading, what you should do currently, we are still going to come on that, on how you should place your position. But for the meantime, we would like to show you guys the places you need to watch. So you should not listen to what you see in the media they are purporting currently about the bullishness of the market. Yes, for the moment, as we are speaking, or as this record is on, the momentum is on, the bullish momentum is on. But as this bullish momentum is on, it is very, very important for some of you who are in a long position. Fine, you can maintain your long position, but inside that your long position, I want you to be careful or take notice of these zones I'm going to point out in this broadcast, and I'm going to write down digits in the screen here so that you will see them clear. So take very cognizant attention to these zones I'm going to point out, because they are very, very inimical, and we will be anticipating a very serious price reaction, if not a complete reversal from these zones that I'm going to point out to you guys. So that's why you need to watch very careful. Remember, people you are up against are the smart money, the big money. So there are places they placed their orders, so you need to take care to watch those zones. So the first zones, for those of us or some people who might belong on Bitcoin, the place you need to watch as you are long on Bitcoin is this zone that I'm going to point out to you guys. So the first one is this zone, this one, 52,237,000 USD marked zone. So I will write that on the screen so that you will see what I am saying. So you have to take care of and watch what is going to happen in this zone. Let me write that 52,837. So watch very carefully this zone, 0.67. So watch very carefully at this zone. You are going to experience a very big reaction, and here is what we call our bearish breaker. So this zone is very, very important and inimical. So we are going to see a heavy price reaction or complete reversal from that zone. So it is 80% probability that we're going to see price reaction. So for someone who wants to short at that position, it is very, very important. So one can decide to short at that position while taking care to know your risk parameter. So if you ask BUNCRYP Academy what is their suggestion, we suggest you short at that zone and liquidate your long position. So if you do that, I believe you will reap from the benefits of what we are saying. Then the second place for those who are long might be watching currently is we might be able to see a reaction from this place, but it's just a tiny reaction that might come here as the market is moving up and now bounces off from this zone and now picks this place and now move down to this place. So you need to watch this place very, very careful. So having that in mind, we'll move over to the currently we are using the 4-hour time frame. So we'll move over to the weekly time frame so that you can be able to see these positions I was marshalling out. So the first place position for those who are long currently you need to be watching at is 52,000. Okay, I have to correct my previous statement because it seems like there's a little bit difference from the price I wrote before and the price I'm seeing here. So please guys take note of that. So the place we need to be watching at if we are long is 52,970 USD 0.17. So this is the first zone we need to be watching. So we are going to see a heavy price reaction from this zone. Mark my word, we are going to see a heavy price reaction from this zone, which might cause capitulation or liquidations that might make the market to reverse. And if the market decide to reverse from this zone, then it means there is 80% confirmation of a bullish trend. That is, if the zone at 39,861.82 do not hold, then we have confirmed a bearish momentum that will be targeting at this level to see if it is going to hold. So this is what I want you guys to be watching while trading. So for now, you watch this zone. The first zone you're watching if you're long is what? $52,970.17. So you need to be watching that zone. Then the second zone, if the market reverses from that point, is $39,861.82. So why I took my time to map out those other flows for you, if you look at the chart, you should notice that they are compared. Is that if market start reversing, none of those zones is going to hold. It will completely clear them out. So if this reversal we are anticipating takes place at this 52,970, which we are completely anticipating for reversal, if it takes place, you are going to see a slash through to 39,861. So please guys, pay constant attention to this analysis. Nobody is going to tell you this online. You all, if you open YouTube now, all you be hearing is chai bullish momentum. They're giving the current news I heard is Coinbase is buying so amount of coin, blah blah blah. Before we can be safe for certain that this bullish trend has kicked off completely, is when this 39,000, if this 39,000 zone hold, guys, watching this zone 39,861.82, price will have to visit back to that zone. So if that zone holds, or if that zone of 52,970 is being slashed through and market closes above this level, then we can now say that we are now 80 to 70% bullish. But for now, we are watching what the market is doing, but we cannot say completely whether we are confirmed bullish or bearish. But we know that for the current term I'm discussing with you guys, as you are looking at chat, we have a bullish momentum, but that bullish momentum is coming to an end at 52,970. So watch it, guys. So having this in mind, for those of us who are not into any position and they might be asking, BUNCRYP Academy, how can we benefit from this information you have given us? So watch your 4-hourly charts. The best way you can benefit from this information is to take a bullish entry at this zone. See this zone I marked at 44,987.46. That is the best way you can benefit long Bitcoin from this level at this price. Watch it at this price, long Bitcoin from there. That is how you benefit. So, and it is on a condition: we will long Bitcoin from this level if it does not touch this place in which we marked previously. We will long it if it does not touch our 52k level. If it does not touch our 52k level, but if it touches our 52k level, if we are longing it, we are longing it with the least amount of risk. Mark my word, with the least amount of risk, because it's a very high risk. You are trading against a very big momentum, bearish momentum. So we're going to watch that. So in summary, because we are about to conclude our video, in summary, this week, this coming week, we are anticipating a reaction at at 52. We're expecting a reaction at 52k zone, and we are anticipating that before that reaction happens, that that price will first of all touch our 44k zone. Then once price touches our 44k zone, we are now anticipating price to now hit our 52k zone. So this is our outlook this week. Then conversely, if price didn't touch our 44k zone and meets our 52k zone, then we are anticipating price to touch our 39k zone. So this is our complete market analysis outlook this week from BUNCRYP Academy. So thank you guys for listening, and we want you to continue to follow our channel. And for those of us who have not subscribed to our channel, we would like you to subscribe, like our video, comment. Then you can share to someone you know that can benefit from this informative discourse. And with that, we have to say goodbye. See you next week Friday for updates and a review of what we might have analyzed this week. So having that in mind, thank you, ladies and gentlemen. See you next time.